Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with two prerequisites: a verified Binance account and Google Authenticator installed on your phone so you can link immediately. Open Binance, go to Security and choose two-factor authentication, then select Google Authenticator. Once done, Binance shows a 16-character secret and a QR code. This is crucial. Write down the secret on paper or store it in a password manager, because if you lose your phone, this code restores access. Don't skip the backup step, it prevents lockout. Now you connect the app to Binance by scanning the QR code or manually entering the 16-character secret into Google Authenticator. Once added, the app generates a 6-digit code that refreshes about every 30 seconds. Watch the timer so you enter a fresh code. On Binance, input the current 6-digit code and confirm. The platform will verify the code and enable Google Authenticator. Make sure your phone clock is accurate. An incorrect time will cause code mismatch errors when linking. Finish by securely storing the 16-character backup key. Take a screenshot to a secure vault or write it down and lock it away. Then log out and test signing back in with email/password plus the Google Authenticator 6-digit code to confirm everything works. If you ever lose codes, first sync your phone's time with network-provided time, because time drift causes failures. If that fails, use the backup key to re-add the account. Keep one recovery copy offline to avoid theft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.